Hi guys, it's me Adriana Del Rosario and welcome to my YouTube channel! So, for today's video, we're gonna do the unboxing of the latest Fujifilm Instax Mini 11. So without further ado, let's get into it! Here, the Instax Mini 11. I'm gonna use the scissors, so easy for me to open this. Actually guys, I'm so excited to open and try this product because I waited for this. So yeah, oh my god, it's so cute. Look at this, it's so cute, right? So here is the Instax Mini 11. I got the color blush pink because I really like the pink. My favorite color is pink. So let's open this. Ayaw niya magpabukas. Yeah, I'm so excited. Yeah. Okay, you got the manual. Got some warranty, 1-year warranty from Fujifilm, of course, and we got, yeah, here is the manual. So I don't know, shutter accessory for user guide, and we got the shutter button, and we got the camera strap. I really like the color pink. So here is the camera, and there may kasama siyang battery. Alkaline batteries, it's AA, and the camera there. God, I'm so excited. Oh my god, it's so nice. It looks, it's so matte. Ganda niya guys, as in. Anyways, so alkaline batteries. Alkaline, not lithium, not anything, alkaline. Why alkaline? Para hindi ma-damage agad yung, or hindi masira yung camera mo, yung Instax, and if para hindi siya agad-agad mamamatay, any moment, ganun, basta alkaline talaga. So, lagay na natin yung battery. Open lang natin. Kung saan ko kinukuha yung mga gamit. Pansin niyo ba? Kasi ang patungan. Positive, negative, negative, positive. Alam niyo ba guys? Sobrang gusto ko talaga ng Instax. Yung niya makabet. Wait. I don't know. It's positive, negative, diba sis? Ayaw niya mag-push. Yan. Bongga, diba? Sobrang bawal sa bongga. Charot. Sobrang hirap lang. Yan, close na natin. Anyways, balik ako sa sinasabi ko. Dream ko talaga magkaroon ng Instax and super happy ako na nandito na siya. Yan, so nice. Oh my god. Open na natin. Ayan na siya. Wala pa siyang film. So, close natin. Dito natin ilalagay yung film sa back door. So, may film ako dito. Saan lang yung film? Ito yung film ko. Film. Ayan. Ano lang siya? Plain. So, ito yung film. If guys, be careful lang sa pag film. Iwasan na hawakan to. Kasi madadamage yung film. Since yun. So, lagay na natin. Makikita natin dito yung yellow. And then dito sa camera, sa backdoor yung yellow. Oh my god, di nyo makita. Kasi sobrang liwanag. Basta may yellow siya dito. May yellow siya guys. Di ko nyo makita. Kasi super liwanag. Yan, yung yellow. Finally, you see it na. Yan, lagay lang natin. Yan, and then close. Close. Yan. And then ready na. Makikita dito yung indicator. So, nalagay na natin yung film. So, may film na siya sa loob. Lagay natin yung shutter button niya. Yung isa, glow in the dark. And then yung isa, hindi. Lagay natin yung pink. Lagay siya natin dyan. Diyan. Lalagay niyo yung sticker para hindi siya matanggal. Anyways, ba't pa? Ang hirap pala. Mamaya natin lagay. So, open na natin. Ang first shot is magiging black lang. Black lang yung lalabas. Ito yung nagpo-protect doon sa yung protected cover ng film. So, tatanggal na natin. So, try natin siya and open natin yung selfie mode on. This Look! So, tingin lang tayo dun sa camera, sa mirror. Sa mirror. And then, try natin. So, yun. Wow! Ito na. Tay lang natin. Tay lang natin siya dyan. So, yun lang guys. Super excited. Sa ilaw. But ang ganda. As in, I'm super happy. And let's think about it. So, oh my god. It's so cute guys. Look at this. It's, oh my god. So gorgeous. Ganda niya. You're looking for Instax camera guys. Itong ng Mini 11 ang kunin nyo. By the way guys, Instax Mini 11 is worth 4,299 pesos. Pili na kayo. So, there you have it guys. Don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel and I hope that you like and enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. See you in my next vlog guys. Keep safe and stay hydrated.